Hello guys, welcome back to next day, and this is day 2 of my tour of Rishikesh, and we are going to Nilkant, and you can see the Lord Hanumanji with Ramji and Sitaji, and like we are going to Nilkant by a cab. I don't want to take risk because it's a hilly area, so and like we have Wagonar, so it's very unsafe. Now I'm choosing the way we should like hire a cab or something. So yeah, I hired one cab, and this is the journey of Nilkant, and we went there and we do darshana of Lord Nilkant, and the darshana was very fantastic. And actually it's this video going to be very short video, like I have done too much to show you here, and like I'm not doing any practice, but I want to maintain the consistency. So this is the my main motive, and I'm not a like I'm not a blogger who show you the hilly area and all, but yeah, I can show you like little bit beauty of that area. You can see like down the some hotels in valley. Actually it's not valley, I think it's some river flow area, and some of the hills were very lovely, and we enjoy the journey and we enjoy the overall tour, and hope you guys like this video and like my journey. And basically we are working on my communication skills. So yeah, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, and if you like my videos please do subscribe and like the channel. And this is the night shot of that day, and it's the last day in Rishikesh. You can see the lovely our holy river Ganga, and bye bye, मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में.